morning everyone. Here is another day to learn, practice and rehearse your knowledge and skills for the future. With this beautiful thought, Anishka and I are here to conduct morning assembly.
Thank you, Advika, for cherishing this beautiful day. Now, first of all, I would like to call Divya to speak the thought for the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Divya Trivedi. I study in class 2A. Today's thought of the day is exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. Do you know what does it means? It means that if we do exercise regularly and eat healthy food, we can achieve our goals very easily. Thank you. Have a nice day. I repeat, exercise is king, nutrition is queen. Put them together and you have got a kingdom. Do you know what does it mean? It means that if we do exercise regularly and eat healthy food, we can achieve our goals very easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks a lot, Divya. Now, I would like to call Kritika to speak word of the day.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kritika, and today's word of the day is jovial, which means cheerful and friendly. I have one sentence to speak. Today my mother seemed jovial with me. I repeat, jovial, which means cheerful and friendly. Today my mother seemed jovial with me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Friends, do you know tomorrow February 10th is World Pulses Day. We include pulses in our diet. Now few of our friends will come and share some facts about pulses. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause. Pulses are edible seeds of the legume family. They are annual crops and are harvested as dry grains. They are healthy, nutritious and easy to cook. The word pulse comes from the Latin word pulse, which means thick gruel, porridge, mush. India is the largest producer, consumer and importer of pulses in the world. Pulses are extremely beneficial for growing children as it has proteins which are known as the building blocks of our body. They are good sources of protein, fiber, calcium, iron and vitamin C. Pulses can help in lowering the risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes and bowel cancer.
Most grown and consumed pulses in India are Bengal gram, known as Desi Chana, Arhar or Tuar, moong beans, chickpeas, black gram or urad dal, red kidney beans known as rajma, black-eyed peas or lobia, lentils known as masoor and white peas or matar. Thank you all for listening to us.